you're gonna need some crystals. I wanted to show you guys how I made my crystal curtain. So this is gonna be like a really rough explanation. I'm not gonna like recreate it, but I will show you the stuff and try to explain the best I can how I went about it. Aside from crystals, which you can get on Amazon for like, I don't know how much, I don't know why I go to the price, but I bought like 12 feet and they might have been like under $20. I don't know how much they cost now. So yes, lots of crystals. You will also need a tiny, well, really small curtain rod. This white one is perfect. It's very inexpensive. Maybe like $3, I don't know. So it comes with hooks, so you could drill them into the wall. I had those hooks already drilled into the molding. I didn't do that, the previous owner did. So, but these are really useful, so I didn't have to drill anything. It was already there for me. Perfect spot too, huh? To hang them, I used fishing line and I made a loop and then like knotted it, I don't know, like 10 times just to make sure it's secure and made sure the knots were really tight. But they don't really move, so, and they're not super heavy, I mean individually, so you don't have to worry too much about that. I attached mine from the ring, but you could attach yours from the crystal if you want. I was just wanting to get it done, and it works out fine like that anyway. It doesn't really mess up the aesthetic. To give it more personality, I attached other crystals. This is from Amazon. This is really, really big. So that's the heaviest crystal on there, and it's absolutely fine. So different shapes just to make it look, you know, more interesting. This is a sun catcher from Amazon as well. It's got a little butterfly. Very cute. See, just different ones. So you could attach different crystals to just make it more cute, you know. And I attached this disco ball ornament because I just wanted more reflection, more light. Anyhow, this is how I made, roughly explained, how I made this curtain. It is awesome. Every time I put lights on and different lights during Christmas and Halloween, and when the sun hits just right, it is so beautiful to look at. I do hope you guys end up making your own, so you could also experience the beauty of a crystal curtain.